Hey everybody, welcome to another video. Emiliano here, and I'm excited that you've made it this far. Okay, so I just wanted to have a brief stop here and show you guys, remind you what this system is about and what we're trying to accomplish here. Okay, so I hope you guys found value in the previous videos. You still have a few more to go. I have a few resources and free trainings and some really cool free tools that you guys can use for your creative and for your Facebook advertising down below in the next few videos. Make sure you watch those, okay? But first I wanted to go over this screen. This is an image that's showing you your automation seven simple step, okay? So if you guys stick with me and you actually do the full course, I'm going to walk you through getting your Facebook ads ready to go and getting your automations and getting all your integrations with your landing pages. So this shows you how your days, basically how your system is going to work. Step one, you're going to capture a lead. So a user is going to come into your website, into your funnel. They're going to opt into your lead magnet, and then it's going to send that information straight to your CRM and then also automate an email sequence, right? Then from that, you guys can set up a video where you can send them a video in your first email. Basically, we're going to introduce yourself and establish authority. Remember, we want folks to go through the know, like, and trust process. So sending an image is not as good as sending a video. So if you can send an image, there's nothing wrong with that, but you guys can also, I would strongly suggest to send a video, okay? Then you're going to get the text. You're going to get while this happens, you're also going to get a text every time a lead is generated. I'm going to show you how to do that in the next few videos. So you're going to call them in less than 5 minutes, okay? Your percentage, your likelihood of getting to that client diminishes enormously if you do not call them within the next 5 minutes. Because you got to remember, if this person is being advertised real estate ads and exclusive list and 7 simple steps to increase the value of your home and stuff like that, it's because he's interested in some type of real estate. So your ad is probably not the only one that he's being shown. So you need to get to him as soon as possible, okay? So that's step number 3. Step number 4, you're going to call yesterday's leads from 9 to 11. Make sure you put that in your calendar. You set 2 hours aside. It doesn't have to be exactly 9 to 11, but set an hour and a half, 2 hours a day to call your leads. Follow up on your leads. Even though you called them the day before, once you got the lead on your phone, you're not always going to catch them on the phone. So make sure you call them in the morning, and then same thing in the afternoon. You set 2 hours aside, you call them in the afternoon, you follow up with those leads. And then after that, you're going to do some retargeting. Like we just went over some videos of how Facebook has the potential to do retargeting. So you're going to set up some Facebook campaigns where you retarget folks that visit your Facebook page, your Instagram page, or you set up a custom list with your email contacts. Okay, so that way you're serving a specific audience your videos, and these videos are just going to be social proof. Again, you're going to be establishing authority, showing how you're doing closing, showing maybe a new model home that you showed, just so you can stay in mind. And basically, the 7th step is you're going to follow up forever. You're going to send more social proof videos at least once a month. And this is basically going to be done through your automation system. So you record a video and you put it in your drip campaign or in your broadcast campaign email, and just send those out at least once a month. Okay. So let's get to work, guys. This is what your future looks like, and you guys can do this yourself. Now, if you're interested in stopping right now, before you jump into the next few videos and resources, I just want to remind you, if you want to go ahead and get access to the full course, you have a couple of ways of doing this. You can go back to the first tab and just hit upgrade, or you can just scroll down and click here, click to upgrade, and that will take you to a different page where you guys can access the full course. Okay, so you got a few videos ahead of you. Make sure you get through all these tabs. Now, one thing I want to reemphasize, if you guys do not opt in to the full course, hey, no, I'm not hurt. My feelings are not hurt. I hope I've provided valuable information so far, and in the next few videos, where it's going to bring some benefit to your business. Okay. So, and if that's the case, remember to go to this last tab here where it says you are appreciated. And I want you guys to click here where it says write a testimonial And please, again, if you got any value whatsoever out of this, click here, write a testimonial. It's going to take you to the Do It Yourself Academy Facebook page. And guys, please go ahead and just write a testimonial in here. And you know, it can be a video, it can be a picture and some text, and just let me know if this was of any value for you. Okay. If you, again, one last thing, if you have any suggestions, remember there's a suggestion box up here. Make sure you hit that suggestion box. It's going to open the form for you guys where you guys can plug in your suggestions. Okay. So that's what I wanted to re-emphasize in this video. Guys, continue learning. You got a few videos, modules in front of you. And I will see you guys in the next one. All right. Take care. Have a good one. Bye-bye.